Now be very careful, okay? Just wait. Just slow down. Relax.
Got food. And then my food. Look out, the
Okay.
Okay. They have little tiny heads, maybe little tiny brain.
Let's go up here. Look, they're picking up all the food that people dropped for them.
Oh, hello.
Hi, lady. Hello. Hi, lady. Don't put your hands out there, Mark.
Oh my.
Hey!
You're back! You're back!
Okay, get back.
Scream.
Okay, don't scream, Mark.
It's okay, Alex.
It's okay.
Hello, lady. Hello, lady. Oh, she just picked me out of your car.
Oh, did she?
It's okay. She's not gonna hurt you. Hello. Hello. Oh,
It's coming at me.
look, those people are like, what? Oh, it's okay. It's a big bird. Look at those wings. Wow. Wow.
For peacock.
Did you get me on camera?
Yes.
Don't hurt them.
Yes, totally got it. Totally got all of that.
I still see this one up here. Look at those. The old man in the back too. He's getting the old man in the
He's
back.
getting it too. He's sticking his head right in the car.
Hold on, let's see if this one.
That was awesome. I know, right? I like how you threw the pellets like it was gonna go away. Scared.
Hi, Minnie.
Look, come here.
Don't let me over your hands, Dad.
It's okay. You can eat out of my hands. Just I don't want him in the truck.
No!
Relax, Mark.
Mark, you gotta use a quiet voice. Look, he's eating out of your hand. That's amazing. Oh, it's okay.
Dummy.
It's okay. Shh. Quiet voice.
Pretty.
Quiet voice. Look, Mark, put your hand straight out, like that. Put your hand straight out flat, okay? And don't move it, okay? Ready? Here he comes. I'm going to let him go to you now. He's going to go to you. No, don't be scared. It's
Come
okay.
here. Put your hand out. Put your hand out.
Show him the food. There we go. Ready? Don't move. Don't move.
It's okay.
Don't move.
Yeah.
Look, he's gonna come to me again. Look.
Is Alex there?
Yeah,
Alex
right
is
here.
he's with Grandma.
He's scared.
He's safe with Grandma.
Look.
Oh,
Okay,
bye.
goodbye.
Did you see? He was amazing.
I know
Uh-oh.
he's eating out my hands. Cool.
Oh,
Zebra.
zebras may bite.
Always drop the food on the
No, say hi.
Yay, that was fun.
I know peacocks are fun.
Look, the car's over there. Turn it off. The car in the back behind you.